Good morning viewers, I hope you are well. In this video you will watch Yangon Mingalar Taung Nyunt Township walking tour. Three roads are connected in this point of the township. They are Mia Yargon Road, Baniar Dala Road and Thenfiu Road. This is Thenfiu Road. This is Catholic Home for the Aged. As part of charitable works for the elderly in Rangoon, a French bishop initiated to set up this Catholic home for the aged people in the late 19th century. Wide and clean road with beautiful green trees. Beautiful blue sky and green trees. It's a bright sunny day and a comfortable weather condition. This is a mosque at Mia Yargon Road. Hawkers are selling various street food beside the road. This is Mia Yargon Road of Mingalar Taung Nyunt Township in Yangon. This township is located in the east central part of the city. The township consists of 20 wards and shares borders with Dagon Township in the west, Bahan Township in the north, Botatong Township in the south, Kayuktada Township in the southwest, and the Pajundang Creek and Dobon Township in the east. That's it from today's video. Thanks for watching.